For the next 21 days, we rise together with a renewed body, a charged mind, and a soul that is guiding you forward with simple practices that elevate you and align you, which will make you unstoppable. It is your declaration to empowerment. We're on day 20 and we're coming a close end to this empowerment declaration. And I have a question for you. In these past couple of days, how many times have you ever paused and said thank you to yourself, thank you to the people in your life, thank you to the resources you have, and thank you to the experiences that you've been having? We spend so much of our time worrying about things, wondering about all the things that have gone wrong, how to fix things, and how to get everybody to do what we want them to do. But we've never really focused on everything that we already have, everything that we're already experiencing, and all the amazingness that we have in our lives. But here's the truth that I have experienced over and over again, especially since the time I've been introduced to this, is that every time I come back into the state of gratitude, into a state of thankfulness, not only does my own vibration change, but the entire reality around me starts to shift. It's like tuning into a new frequency, from noise to your inner music. And when you come into that inner music, you're in a state of rhythm, you're in a state of flow, and everything feels blissful. Gratitude is not just a technique, gratitude is not just a tool, and gratitude is definitely not a mindset that you have. Gratitude is a feeling, gratitude is an experience. More than that, gratitude is a healing frequency by itself. Science has studies showing that when you are in a state of gratitude, a state in your body and mind gets triggered called as coherence. Coherence is the blending or the harmony of your breath, your mind, and your heartbeat. And when all of these are in alignment, you are completely in this present in an elevated state. It's no coincidence that those who practice gratitude regularly experience a better health, better sleep, better approach to life, better people in their life, and better results overall. If I could keep going on about the benefits of gratitude, this video would go on for an extremely long time. So instead of getting into the benefits, I want you to experience it yourself right now as an instant shift. So let's do a gratitude activity together. How about just sit down comfortably, however, wherever you are, and we start with gratitude for your own body. I want you to turn to a body part that you tend to neglect the most, which gives you trouble, which gives you pain, and I want you to just touch it and feel it and express your gratitude towards it. For example, mine are my legs. They give me the most amount of strength. They give me the ability to walk and get to everywhere I want to, allows me to go on the runs that I enjoy, allows me to drive, but I still take them for granted. And today, I want to take this moment and express my gratitude to my legs. Thank you for being there. Thank you for giving me the strength and the capability that my body has right now. How about you? What were you grateful for in your body right now? Put that in the comments. Let's go ahead and now focus on expressing gratitude towards something that you have inside of you. So I want you to pause and reflect. What quality about yourself are you truly grateful for? To share, I am truly grateful for my quality of perseverance. I always have something or the other that I'm going to push. I will figure a way out, but I will not give up. I will find a plan A, I will find a plan B, and I will figure another resource out. I will persevere and figure my way. I'm truly, truly grateful for having this quality because it has brought me to where I am in life. What did you think about? Put that in the comments as well. The more you share your gratitude, the more you'll experience it in its full power, and it will spread like ripple effects all around you. And that's exactly why I'm sharing mine with you. I want more and more ripples of the same. And now let's think about the people that are present in your life. Who are you truly grateful for in your life? I'm grateful for my parents. I'm grateful for my brother, my sister-in-law, my niece, my nephew. They are my pillars. They are my pillars of strength. They keep me grounded, they keep me centered, and at the same time, they're the ones who are cheerleading me all the way, pushing me, getting me going all the time. And I'm truly grateful for having them in my life. Have you put yours in the comments already? And now let's move on to something which is harder for some people. We're easily grateful for the things that we have and the things that we truly cherish and the things that are working out well for us. But we also need to learn to be grateful for things when they haven't worked out for us, because there is a silver lining in it. And that silver lining, when it's understood and when we're grateful for it, life truly changes. Those are those mini yet powerful transformations that you can experience. So pick one thing that you weren't grateful for, you were angry about, you were upset about, and let's be grateful for it now together. If I have to share, I was not grateful for the longest time of some of the experiences that I had professionally when I was working in partnership with certain people. And it took me a while to come out of it. But now I am truly thankful for those experiences because it showed me how teamwork is. It showed me how each person operates from a different strength. It showed me what is possible, and it also showed me how to take care of myself and how I can protect myself rather than always just being so carefree and giving everything away and not nurturing myself. So I'm really grateful for those experiences because it has made me a better human being. It's made me approach professional relationships much differently, actually all relationships differently. So I'm actually very thankful for it. I hope you shared yours in the comment as well. It's very easy for us to say thank you naturally because it's out of habit, it's out of etiquette. But when you really think about it, when you feel it, when you connect it back to an experience, it's no longer gratitude, it's a blessing. And when you start counting your blessings, you'll realize that every moment of your life is a true blessing. I want you to definitely share this video with somebody that you truly love and cherish so that you can let them know how grateful you are for them, how grateful you are that they are in your life. And I also want you to definitely sit down and make a nice long list of what are you truly grateful for in life, all the good and the bad, and definitely share it with people because that one ripple, that one share is going to create a massive ripple all around. I hope you've already checked out in the description what we have coming up for you next, because this was just a trailer to get you in an empowered state. Now we need to start moving into a winner's state, and Win 10 is coming up, and I'm really seeking and looking forward to meeting each one of you so that you can experience a massive transformation and be your true authentic self as you take on the world. See you soon, especially tomorrow as we have the last day of this empowerment declaration.